Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Pointcloud editor to edit, modify, rotate and translate any of your processed COLMAP Pointcloud data. First of all, you need a dataset pre-processed by COLMAP looking like this. Make sure your dataset has a sparse folder in which these three files, the cameras.bin, images.bin and point3d.bin, are located. To make sure the Pointcloud editor can read these files, you have to convert them to the txt format. To do this, you have two options. Option number one is you use the command provided here at the bottom of the GitHub page. Just use the model converter and specify your input and output model path, as well as the format txt. Option number two is you start your COLMAP GUI and import your existing model. Make sure to import only the files in the sparse 0 folder. When you import them, this should look like this, where you can see all the points as well as the cameras. Then just press File and Export Model as TXT. Now that the conversion process is finished, you can see all the three files converted to the TXT format. Now you can open the Pointcloud editor by the link in the description or the GitHub repository link. Make sure to upload your Pointcloud file in TXT format. Then you can see all the points are loaded in. Then upload the cameras file as well as the images file. This can take some time depending on the size of the files. Make sure to only upload the cameras and images files if you rotate and translate the scene. If you only remove points, you don't have to upload the images and cameras file. Now, as you can see, everything was imported correctly. You can see all the points and the cameras mapped. What you can do now is use the crop radius to crop the scene from error and bad points. As you can see, all the bad and removed points are colored in red. If you have any other points which must be removed, for example, these points right here, just toggle the eraser. This turns your mouse cursor into a circle in which you can select all the points which you don't need in your scene. If all of this is finished, you can translate and rotate the scene by just increasing these values. And when everything is done, just press the download button. And this will download two files. The first file will be the modified images.txt and the second file will be the Pointcloud file. When this is done, make sure to update your existing datasets. First of all, remove all your bin files. And also remove the images.txt and the point.txt files. Keep the cameras.txt file. Then replace these files with the modified files, the points.3d and the images.3d, and rename them. Now you have all the important files, the cameras, the points and the images in your dataset, and you can use them for 3D Gaussian splatting or any other kind of usage. To test if everything works, just open the COLMAP again and import the dataset again. As you can see, all of the points on the outside have been removed successfully, and only the important points are still existing.